First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone, to News 5 at 4 on this Monday. Seeing a few fair weather clouds drifting in from the mountain areas this afternoon and starting to see evidence of some thicker smoke. And that's going to be really one of the big stories here over the next 24 hours or so. Right now, very warm as well, 82 degrees, the current temperature. Still waiting for the daytime high to come in. But I'll tell you this much, the record today in the Springs is 83. So we're right there flirting with a record high for the day. Pueblo right now 87. Your record for today is 91, but look how dry the air is outside this afternoon. Humidity values here down into the single digits, and we have winds out of the east southeast for now, but I think as a cold front moves through later tonight, we'll see more of a northerly gradient of wind, and those winds could be gusting over 20 later tonight in Pueblo. Canyon City still seeing a southeast wind here, 6% relative humidity. Temperature outside at 87 degrees and feeling pretty nice up there in Woodland Park. Elevation at about 8,500 feet above sea level. 10% humidity, temperature there running right around the 70-degree mark. Right now, as we mentioned earlier in the newscast, it's still dealing with the high fire danger due to those red flag warnings. That is set to expire at 6 o'clock tonight. But the rest of the week looks warm and dry with elevated fire weather concerns here in southern Colorado. We are finally tracking the potential for a pattern change by the weekend, especially Sunday and into early next week, as we bring in some mountain rain and snow, and some of that could extend east into the plains as early as Sunday night. So take a look at the smoke modeling. This is all of the thick smoke being generated by those smoke plumes out towards the Cameron Peak fire and the Mullen fire in southern Wyoming. And with the north wind accelerating this evening, look how some of that pink shows up right around 9-10 o'clock. Highway 24 could be seeing poor visibility late tonight because of the thick smoke. And I think as we make our way into Tuesday morning, the winds ease up a bit, so some of that smoke does disperse, but still pretty thick at times. Definitely looks like it's going to be a smoky start to the day as we make our way into Tuesday. High pressure continues to dominate the weather picture. It's not really going to move that much over the next couple of days. Certainly not for your day on Tuesday. More haze, more smoke, breezy in the afternoon, and some very warm highs back into the 80s in the Springs and Pueblo. Other than the smoke in the air, not expecting any sort of cloud cover to move into southern Colorado. Highs are going to be well above average once again by noontime, already back to near 80 in some spots, and then we get even warmer than that as we make our way towards the middle of the afternoon. All right, overnight lows tonight a little chillier than what we saw last night, but above seasonal averages for this time of the year. 39 will be down to in Woodland Park, 41 for Pueblo, 44 in the Springs. Equally as warm tomorrow, and it's going to get even warmer as we make our way towards the end of the week. Check it out. Potential for near record-setting temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Thursday looks to be the warmest day in the Springs with a high of 87. Then by the end of the weekend, a system digs into Colorado. I think we'll cool down with some wind on Sunday, potentially some rain or snow heading into Monday. Pueblo, before we get there, 80s and even 90s through the rest of the week, down to the upper 70s by Sunday. Canyon City will see highs here in the mid-80s on Tuesday, but bouncing up to the upper 80s. Could be close to 90 Wednesday and Thursday. And for Woodland Park, a nice summer-like feel to the forecast here. Hazy skies Tuesday. Temperatures get warmest as we make our way into Wednesday and Thursday. All right, time